Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. Today I have a very special guest. It's Joey!
Yay, I'm back!
I am so excited you're here. He is the perfect guest for today because I got a lot of requests to make something from Ready Player One.
I'm freaking out. This is honestly one of my favorite books that I've ever read, so thank you for choosing me.
For those of you who don't know anything about the novel or, the movie, it's a sci-fi story. It's a dystopian future, so Joey knows all about that. You're an expert.
Yes, and I love video games. I love VR.
And I don't want to give out too many spoilers, but we're living in this world that's very overpopulated. There's an energy crisis and living standards aren't very good, and everyone's playing this game called Oasis.
Yeah, to basically escape the harsh reality of what the future has become.
And the creator of the game is a billionaire, very successful, and he said that he's hidden 3 keys, and if you can find the 3 keys, you inherit his wealth and game. So everybody's playing this game trying to find the 3 keys. Today, we are gonna make cookies that look like the 3 keys. So there's gonna be one that's copper, one that's green for jade, and one that's decorated white to look like the crystal key.
Oh, the crystal key. Spoiler. Stop. Don't watch. Stop. Hold on.
Don't. Skip ahead like 30 seconds. So the second key, the green key, is found in a box, a cereal box of
Captain Crunch.
Yep, so today, in honor of that, we are gonna be making sugar cookies, but they're Captain Crunch sugar cookies to look like the 3 keys.
Let's get started.
The things you will need will be 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, some Captain Crunch cereal. We'll need enough for 6 tablespoons ground.
1/2 teaspoon butter extract, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Now let's put it all together. First step to making these cookies is grinding up our Captain Crunch cereal. Joey, have you used a food processor before?
I have not, but I've used a blender.
Very similar.
Justine has taught me, when in doubt, just blend it.
Yeah, it's a good rule of thumb, and I couldn't knock her methods because it actually worked. We made a cake together, and we mixed it together in a blender instead of like a stand mixer, and it tasted delicious. So, all right, just pour it in, all in.
Oh no!
Maybe just one.
A fallen soldier. Oh, okay.
Now we just pulse. So Joey, I'm gonna have you pulse it. You just go boom, 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 like that. Go.
Oh,
very powerful. Okay, I'll hold it in place. Okay, go.
That's frightening.
Joey, we've done it. That's it. Nice work.
Thank you, thank you.
Joey, I'm gonna hand you the sharp part, so don't be careful.
Okay.
Just put that over there or something.
Bye.
And then we've got to measure out 6 of these. And these are tablespoon measurements. That's what we want. And now, oh my gosh. This is like the bottom of the box in a cereal box.
Yes, it's the best part when it sprinkles into the milk and you're just like, oh. Alrighty, so our Captain Crunch is all blended up. Now it's time to mix it up with a whisk with our other dry ingredients in a medium-sized bowl.
Yeah, there you go, Joey. Pour it all in. And the flour, some salt, baking powder, boop, boop, boop. Last but not least, little cornmeal. Mix it up till everything's well combined and then set it off to the side. Now we cream together the butter and sugar in a large bowl. So I'm gonna pour in the sugar, the butter, using an electric hand mixer, mix together until light and fluffy. This usually takes a couple minutes.
Has your hair ever got caught in there? Flashback.
1, yes. 2, just the other week, true story, I basically blew out the engine. It started smoking, full smoke. I was making a meringue or something.
Baking.
Yeah, it was too much baking.
Okay, so now we are going to add the butter extract and vanilla extract.
And our egg. You want to add the whole egg, then once again mix together until well combined. Joey, can you hold the bowl?
You got it.
Because this one doesn't have a grippy at the bottom.
Right.
So sometimes it likes to slide all over.
Okay, so we have our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients.
Eyeball it, just shake in half of the dry ingredients. Then we'll mix it up and add the other half. Okay. Here we go, here we go. I like to do the sound effects.
Okay, let's have the other half.
Okay, other half. Shake, shake, shake. Joey, I'm gonna have you mix now.
I get to do the other.
Yeah, and I'll scrape down the sides. Go for it. Yep, spin in circles. You got this.
Wow. We've got a problem.
Okay, so you have to hover it in the bowl and put it on a speed and it will flick out.
I think you're supposed to eat the stuff that's still on
That
here.
sticks.
Oh my
Okay,
God,
push the top button.
No, I was kidding.
Oh, hold on. You trust me. Oh, what?
Wow, a treat. We get
And
to
a
eat
little
everything.
treat for each of us. We're gonna wrap it up tight using some food-safe plastic wrap. I'm gonna have you do
cool.
it. I have faith. You can do this.
Okay.
Okay, just use your hands, kind of ball it together. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Woo!
Nice, yes. Then right in the middle, push it flat to look like a pancake, like a little disc. Then I'm gonna go bloop, then hit me back. Come this way.
It's like wrapping a present.
Yeah. Now pop it in the fridge for 1 hour to chill.
Alrighty, so it's been a full hour. Our dough is chilled, and now we have to roll it out.
That's right. We gotta open this up, and Joey, I'm gonna let you do some baking flair. So you just grab a hold and pull it up. And it's gonna flip in the air, and the goal is to land it on the counter. Don't think about it.
Okay, ready?
And just go for it.
1,
You got this, Joey. You got this,
2,
Joey. Moral
3.
support. Moral support.
Oh!
Yes, we'll take it. It landed on the
It
counter.
didn't land on the floor, so that's a plus.
All right, now
Okay.
we roll it out. I put down a piece of parchment paper so it won't stick. Just roll it about a 1/4 inch thick.
Whew. Okay, is this good?
Yeah, that looks great. We
Perfect.
got there. Now it's time to cut out our cookies. I found this cute little key cookie cutter online. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in using this one, but they have a bunch of them online. Just
Okay.
cut out a bunch, and then we'll place them over here on a baking sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper. This cookie recipe does expand when it bakes, so give them about 1.5 inches, maybe even 2 inches in between each cookie, because it fluffs out.
Let's just cook one at a time.
Yeah. I like that. Then we get to hang out more. 2, we watch movies or something. What about sci-fi movies?
Our cookies are on the cookie sheet.
Yes.
Now let's pop it in the freezer for 10 minutes.
Yes, we do this so that they'll hold shape while they bake, and heat your oven to 350 degrees, then bake for 10 minutes.
Alrighty, so the cookies are all done and baked, and we gave them some time to cool.
Yeah.
So we can decorate them now.
It's super easy. We're gonna be frosting them 3 different colors, the colors of the keys in the game, or as close to them as we
Right.
can. So the first thing is to outline the cookies. We pipe an outline all the way around to make
Okay.
your design, and then we let it sit for about 10 minutes to dry. Have you ever iced a cookie before?
Never have I ever. I actually have done gingerbread cookies, but nothing like this. So our outlines are looking pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah, look at these.
Can we fill them in now?
Yeah, they've dried, they've set. Now just fill them in. This is called flooding. So just fill them in. Fill in all of your cookies with matching colors.
Okay, well they're all filled in.
Yes.
And this is actually a lot of fun. I want to do more.
It's really relaxing.
know.
Okay, you gotta come bake again.
Okay, fine.
There's one more step, it's totally optional. These cookies are ready to serve right now, and they look like the keys from the game, but I wanted to add a little bit of extra something, just
Okay.
a little bit of shimmer. So here, do you wanna do the crystal one?
Yes,
All right,
I do.
so you just take a
Wow,
little
so
paintbrush
pretty.
and just lightly put them on top so they shimmer like the metals.
Wow, this is so cool.
Isn't this neat? I love it. It just gives it a little extra
I'm
oomph.
obsessed.
Ta-da! Here are the Captain Crunch key cookies that we made today in celebration of Ready Player One. And a big thank you to Joey. Joey, thank you for helping me bake today.
Thank you. This is honestly everything. Like I said, I'm obsessed with Ready Player One, so the fact that I got to make something from the book and soon to be movie is just everything.
And I feel like it's super themed because it is a delicious Captain Crunch cookie recipe. So also, if you love the cereal Captain Crunch, you may love this cookie recipe. You'll want to check it out. I'll be posting a bunch of pictures and the recipe on rosannapansino.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You can check it out there. And if you guys make these cookies, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. And if you're into sci-fi, dystopian, community stuff like Ready Player One, you will love Joey.
Oh,
Yeah. You're like,
yes.
Yes. So I'm gonna be putting links down below to Joey's channel. Go check it out. Show him some love.
And if you have any other ideas for some future nerdy nummies, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, let me know down below. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.